Thursday night, showers and isolated thunderstorms. Lows in the mid-50s. Northeast winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation 80%. The current time is 10:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. Areas of fog have developed across portions of South Texas this morning. Expect visibilities generally 1 mile or less, with a few locations seeing visibilities 1/4 mile or less at times. Use caution if traveling, as visibility may change rapidly in a short amount of time. Use low beam headlights and leave extra distance between your vehicle and others on the road. The Laredo Climate Summary for yesterday, January 17, 2021. Yesterday's high temperature was 72 degrees. The normal high is 67. The record high is 98 degrees, which was set in 1936. Yesterday's low temperature was 44 degrees. The normal low is 46. The record low is 25 degrees, which was set in 1982. No precipitation fell yesterday, which leaves the monthly total at 0.17 inches. The total precipitation for the year still stands at 0.17 inches. Sunrise today is at 7:29 a.m. and sunset is at 6:08 p.m. What? Visibility 1/4 mile or less in dense fog. Where? LaSalle, McMullen, Webb, and Duval counties. When? Until 11 a.m. Central Standard Time this morning. Impacts: hazardous driving conditions due to low visibility. If driving, slow down, use your headlights, and leave plenty of distance ahead of you. Fog continues to dissipate across the area, so the dense fog advisory will be allowed to expire. Some patchy fog may briefly linger across portions of Canady, Brooks, and Hidalgo counties after 10 a.m., but will diminish shortly after. Here are the